This video was made possible by Good Better Best Tuition Services. Please subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Today we are going to have a very short lesson on the simplification of fractions. When we simplify fractions, we need to write them in the smallest possible form. In other words, we want the denominators and numerators as small as possible. So one of the rules that we have for fractions is what you do to the denominator, you must also do to the numerator, and vice versa. Let's have a look at an example. If we have a look at this fraction, we can see that we can divide 24 and 36 by 2. So let's do that. We divide by 2 and we divide by 2 again. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 and 36 divided by 2 is 18. So the question we ask ourselves now is there anything that divides into 12 and 18? Well, I can think of 6. So we divide by 6. "12 divided by 6 is 2, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So I get the answer of 2 over 3. Is that in its simplest form? Is there anything else that can divide into both 2 and 3, excluding 1? Because when we divide anything by 1, the number remains the same. So we want to see a change. Okay, so it won't make a difference if we divide by 1. So that's not an option. Is there anything else? No. So that is your answer. Let's look at another example. Now that's a fairly big number, and if you say to me, well, Lucille, I can't really think of anything else besides 2 because there probably are bigger numbers but nothing comes to mind, then what we can do is we can divide by 2. And 126 divided by 2, and then we also say 142 divided by 2. What will that give us? That will give us 63 over 71. Is there anything that can divide into 63 and 71? No, there isn't. So this answer is in its simplest form. Wow, look at this one. 546 over 894. What can we divide? Can you see anything immediately that goes into 546 and 894? Yes, you see that it's an even number, so you should be able to divide by 2. Let's do that. This will give us 273 over 447. Now I've checked. I've done prime factorization on this to see if there are factors that can go into both numbers, 273 and 447. And there aren't any numbers that are common to both, so this answer is in its simplest form. Let's do one more. So here we have 228 over 334. We divide by 2. And what we do to the top, we need to do to the bottom. What does that give us? This gives us 114 over 167. Now 167 is a prime number, which means that this won't simplify any further, and this answer is in its simplest form. Thank you for watching with us. We hope to see you again soon. And if you need tuition in maths, accounting, physics, Afrikaans or English, grades 1 to 12, we are able to assist. Please feel free to contact me on the number on the screen.